Hey y'all, hey, how y'all doing? I hope everybody's feeling good and great. I hope you had a great weekend and all that little shit. Y'all know how I do it. I just jump right into it. So look, I'm gonna talk about my girl Glorilla. I love this little bitch. I think she is fire. I think she's gonna grow and continue to do great things. But check this out. I went to her page because I do follow her, and like all the comments talking about what she needs to do with her money, like she needs to get a BBL, she needs to get her nose done, and all this old fuckery. Glow, if you just so happen to be listening to somebody else say, bitch, and that goes for anybody, like black women especially. Look, love who the fuck you the fuck are. Everybody body isn't you know what I'm saying? And half of these bitches that y'all looking at that them bitches bodies is motherfucking padded and stuffed and puffed and fucking injected from there and put that right there. All this old fuck shit. Like I think that this society right now is just like really getting on my motherfucking nerves. Where everybody feeling like, and then like she's in the hip hop game. So when you in the hip hop game, like you supposed to look a certain way. Even Nicki said that she was persuaded, well, by Lil Wayne, and I think she said by Lil Wayne, that she, to get some shit done to her. You know what I'm saying? Like, bitch, love who the fuck you are. There is so many varieties of women and sizes and shit like that. Like, why do you feel like you need to look like, bitch, like, what the fuck? So, go to my girl Glow. Yo, bitch, stay small, stay cute, you know what I'm saying? Stay fire, stay within your own mindset. Now look, if a bitch choose to do that, because it is some bitches who feel like they need to do that, maybe because they can't lose weight or whatever the fuck, I don't know, or they feel like they want to be, you know what I'm saying? Then by all means. But I think that if you do like some serious soul searching, like within yourself, like really, like why, like really, like why are you motherfucking doing it? Like really, like just why? You know what I'm saying? Now it can be that you want to do it just because. You know what I'm saying? You want to upgrade your motherfucking self and you got the money to do it, then okay, then by all means. You understand what I'm saying? But still, ladies, like really give that some thought, and I hope that my girl Glow isn't like paying attention to that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And when I'm talking about her, Lil Kim is in my mind. Now y'all, if y'all don't know, Lil Kim is my bitch. I love her, like always loved her. You know what I'm saying? From Junior Mafia to now. You know what I'm saying? And like, she have did like a serious transformation to her whole shit, whatever. But that don't stop me from liking her and whatnot. But Kim, girl, yeah, you be looking a little crazy. Now Kim is a fashion icon. Let's not, y'all bitches can never ever, you can never ever, never, 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 ever, ever take that from her. You know what I'm saying? She shut shits the fuck down fucking fashionably. But yeah, but sometimes your body do be looking a little crazy because your ass is too big and your hips is too big and you're tiny and you got them little ass legs. The same thing with my girl Nikki. I love Nikki too. Like you got them little ass legs, got the big ass booty and them padded ass hips. And then also let's keep on going. Let's think about my girl JT and motherfucking Young Miami. Like y'all was on. I was like, them bitches is fire. And look what they done went and did. You know what I'm saying? Ladies, and then you just don't need all this shit. And if you're getting that silicone or whatever the fuck in your motherfucking body, y'all heard about what was this? I don't know what this Caucasian Karen name. Y'all, that's why I call y'all. Y'all Caucasian Karen name is. But she had her titties done and had a because unfortunately situations can happen, and she fell, and the shit that she had in just blah, all inside of her. You know what I'm saying? So the shit is all inside and was infecting her blood and all this sort of shit. Y'all gotta think about the shit. The same thing with motherfucking, who the fuck was that? Pepper. Pepper just recently had an accident to where her shit was fucked up. And now she tried to sue the doctor, which made no sense. But you in an accident. What the fuck they got to do with the doctor? Like, y'all just have to think about this shit though. And I'm saying all this to say, ladies, love the skin you're in, especially my sisters. Like, love who the fuck you are. You know what I'm saying? Every man don't desire to be with somebody. You know what I'm saying? Every man, they don't. Some do, but whatever the fuck. But the point, who gives a fuck what the fuck they like, bitch? You have to like you. That's first and foremost. You have to look at yourself and love you. And first of all, the one thing that y'all need to do, like if you really want to change something, bitch, change your motherfucking diet. That's a one thing you can change. Change your motherfucking attitude. And the group of people that you hang around, if these bitches just so happen to be negative and all that other shit, you don't need that in your life. You know what I'm saying? Change your exercise routine. I understand everybody don't like to exercise, but you got to get something that our bodies are meant to move. So move that shit. You understand what I'm saying? Ladies and my sisters, I really want y'all to really have like a strong sense of self and love for self. That doesn't mean that you can't, it's your prerogative and everybody has their own outlook on what they want to do with themselves. And if you want to get patted down and all that little shit, but there are health risks. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that shit in mind and to always know and to say to yourself, I am beautiful, I am motherfucking worthy. Like, well, what we doing here, ladies? I'm always here for my sisters. And speaking about my sisters, so I don't remember your name, I'm so sorry, but this is also another YouTuber on here, and she was talking about how, like, Black women don't, I didn't listen to her whole shit, but I did leave a nice little comment. But she said, like, how Black women don't love their hair. So then now we going back to this same old shit. Yeah, everybody with these motherfucking wigs, and ain't no wrong. Now Black women are the queen to switch that shit the fuck up. Bitch, we are the motherfucking originators. That's why I got a shirt that says motherfuckers, Black women are the motherfucking originators. Don't even motherfucking play with me. We wear our hair all types of motherfucking way. But there are a lot of sisters who choose to not wear their hair natural for whatever fucking reason. And I think it all goes back to when our ancestors was enslaved, and then you move forward like generations, and how you have to, our beauty wasn't accepted. So in order to be accepted in the workplace, to be able to provide for your family, you had to switch up your whole shit. You couldn't come in there with your hair natural. They tell you like, nah, you know what I'm saying, to switch your shit up. I even heard somebody recently, like on somebody's podcast, so one of them basketball wives chick, I think it was, what's that? Damn it, I don't know. Y'all don't know, I don't know. But she was saying that, and this was like 2 years ago, she was saying that, her hair is natural, but she do wear wigs, and she wear it to accommodate the people that she is in business with and all that old shit, and how one of them, some Caucasian Ken, done told her to comb her motherfucking hair. Ooh, bitch, I wish one of you motherfuckers, you gonna get a tongue lashing. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna tear your ass all the way down. You gonna rethink your whole motherfucking life and your whole motherfucking culture, and you would never ever say something like that to a Black woman. What the fuck you mean? Because her hair is fucking natural? Bitch. So I'm saying all that to say is like this, all of that internalized and all of that shit makes Black women feel like, in order to be accepted in this society, your hair has to look like that. And then let's also think about our men. Our men are also subjugated to the bullshit too, because who's beauty worthy is like in the forefront. It's not Black women. It is especially a Black woman whose hair that's natural and loving like all the skin that she's in and all that old shit. It's my motherfucking a Caucasian. You know what I'm saying? So Black men, when they see that shit, so they fall in love with that. Like, the hair has to be long. I just heard, who the fuck was this? What's his name? What the fuck? Y'all know I don't know his name. Wallow, not Wallow, but the other one. Him. Kid. Y'all know who the fuck was him. He was talking about his girl who looked like she could be some mixy chick, or she could be Hispanic or something. And he was like, she had that long, beautiful hair, and just how they are infatuated with that. And so since they are infatuated with that, sometimes Black women also feel like they, in order to compete, you know what I'm saying? Like they have to look this certain ways to where their hair needs to be straightened and permed and all this old fuck shit. Yo, Black women, let me tell you something. This is an attack on us on some real shit to try to really manipulate us and change us, because why? Bitch, if y'all look around, don't none of these bitches look like us. None of them. We are the motherfucking originators. I know somebody was on their motherfucking podcast. So, everybody think that their shit is the best. Yes, bitch, and you know who is the best. And it is people of African descent, because where y'all come? Over here. We don't really go over there to where you at. Y'all always come all y'all motherfuckers. stealing shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? The shit is fucking crazy. And then also I heard another one say doing a podcast. This was this Charles White dude. He gonna say that black women want to look like white women, and then so I was like, okay, I wonder who his girl is. Some Hispanic bitch. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just saying I just call bitches. Some Hispanic bitch. And I'm just thinking like, oh, okay, but you can say that, but yet you kind of going towards that too, because they also have the features and the aesthetics of like a white woman, as far as the skin is concerned, as far as their hair is concerned. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, they want to, like, this the funny shit is how with the hair thing, going back to that, how they try to like say it's 4C and all, you know, black women's hair is 4C, and then what's up, y'all Hispanic chicks is whatever the fuck y'all shit. No, bitch, my shit is fucking natural, ho. That's what the fuck it is. Ain't no motherfucking 4C. I'm not in the line with the next bitch. No, I'm in the line with my sisters, and my sister's hair is natural, bitch. Our hair is motherfucking natural. It ain't no motherfucking 4C. Get the fuck out of here. The fuck y'all talking about, bitch? Ugh. Ladies, my sisters, yo, for real, like, love you. You know what I'm saying? Like, however you choose to wear your hair, however you choose, you know, like, whatever clothes you choose to wear, love the skin that you're in, that God gave you for you. Cause it's a hit out on us on some real shit. It's some like, if y'all don't, y'all look at TV, like, do y'all be peeping shit? Like, I was just recently watching something, which I'm gonna talk about another day, when that's that recently married shit. But I peeped like how when it was like two black girls, and I think the rest four of them was like Caucasian, and you know how the camera was always on like the Caucasians, like, and then y'all watch TV, peep the shit, peep the shit. It's a hit out on us because they already know who the fuck the flyest ones on this motherfucker and who the originators is. It says, they bitch, you gotta tap in, sis. And don't be afraid to be motherfucking you. Just for my sisters today. Anyway, y'all know my name is Rill. I'm an intimacy coach, seductress with a service called Seductive ArT. And if you're planning a bachelorette party, girls' night out event, holla at your girl. I got you. Seductive ArT is for you. You can go to my website and get all the information. There's visual stimulation, real sex talk, and ESS, which is an erotic, sexual, seductive dance. You can pick all three, 2 out of the 3, or just one. And I will make your event so much more sexier. And also, you know, I am an author. The title of my book is called QUICKIE. It's 7 short erotic stories. Read while you fuck while you read. You can purchase. It's only an ebook form. Did I say that already? An ebook form, and it's only $1.99. You can. The link will be down in the description box. Y'all know I'm a designer. The name of my brand is what that shit say. Real nice, real nice, real nice. All things fresh. The underdog in fashion, bitch. Like, and this is one of my dresses that I have available. So go over there and get that. And I also have a swimsuit that is like identical pretty much to this, a bikini. So you can wear this as a cover when you go to the beach, the dress, and then when you take the dress off, when you get to the motherfucking beach, expose that bikini. Bong. There you go. I say thank y'all so much for watching. Please hit that, click that if I resonate with you, which I hope I do. And yeah, like, you know, I'm still on my shit. You already know how I lead this bitch. You know, be all the things that you can possibly be. Be all the things. It's like my girl Tia Smash say, all the things. Be all the things that makes you special and beautiful and kind and all and what you have to give to the world. Be all of that. But most and motherfucking importantly, with no compromise, don't even think about that shit. The only thing that you can be on this world and be true to, bitch, you're not just be you. Until we meet again, y'all have a great one. Peace.